Welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Follow Me, which is a folk song that I use in my teaching placement, and we have one version that was originally written plus two that we added for my school, and this is a play-along with just two chords. I made a longer video on my UkeStuff channel about how I'm using Suno.ai this year to make some full accompaniments, especially with a female voice, because I have a male voice, obviously, singing along with my students who are elementary students. So if you're interested in that, watch for that. I don't know if it'll be published when this video is published yet or not, but watch for it if it's not already out. In this video, first we'll talk about the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then I'll talk about the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. And then finally, I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both channels, both of my channels, which are the UkeStuff channel and the Uke Play-alongs channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. So let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. The song is originally in the key of F, so I'll show you the chords on F first, but I'll also put out a version in G for the baritone players because it is a little more challenging to play F on baritone. So on GCEA, soprano concert tenor ukulele, in the key of F, you'll need the F chord and the C chord. That's it. Now, in the transposed version to the key of G, you'll need the G chord and the D chord. So here's the G chord and then the D chord. Now, let me just add about the D chord that you have a number of ways you can play the D chord on GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. The way that I typically play D is if I've got my G chord in this shape, I leave my first finger where it's at, and then I move my other two fingers right next to it. I make a tiny upside down V as if I were making a G7 chord up here. But when I leave my first finger there at the top of the third string, second fret, my other two fingers can tuck right in, making a V shape. That makes it easiest for me with men's-sized large hands. Now, some other options, you can play with fingers 1, 2, and 3 in a row. You can also play with fingers 2, 3, 4 in a row. You can bend your ring finger so that you don't cover the first string and play strings 4, 3, and 2 and leave string 1 open. You can also use just two fingers. So the first finger can cover strings 4 and 3. The second finger can cover string 2. We just ask that you don't play with your thumb because that does some weird things with posture, and changing to other chords is very difficult. So those are the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. On baritone ukulele, I did make a version of the song in G. I just transposed it up in case you don't like the F chord. Nonetheless, the song is in F originally, so let me show you the chords in the key of F. There are only two. It's the F chord and the C chord. C chord, not a problem for many people. F chord is on baritone for some people. What you're going to do is take your first finger right above the metal first fret, and you're going to pull against the fretboard. See how I'm pulling it back as if I'm pulling the whole instrument with my finger? That's the secret, is pulling, not pinching. And you get near the fret but not on it, because if you're on it, you're going to get thunking sounds. You're right behind it and pull, you're going to actually get a clear sound. Then you add your thumb for some light support, and then add two fingers. That's your F chord. Then you're going to do your C chord. Your first finger should be right in the right spot to do it already. So again, second string, first fret. Second finger reaches over to the fourth string, second fret. And then you've got your C chord. So this whole song is going to be switching between F and C. Now, if you don't like it in the key of F and don't want to play the F chord, well, I've got your back. You can also play G and D. So here's your G chord and then your D chord. Really, it's whatever you want to do, but just do keep in mind that the original was in F. Now let's talk about strumming. As it comes to strumming, usually I say ukulele wasn't used in the original version, so it doesn't matter what you strum. Well, in this case, ukulele was used in the original version. I recorded it, then I uploaded it to Suno, and I asked it to sort of produce it and add a female voice to it instead of my voice. But it really did keep my strumming pattern in the recording, which is great. However, I want you to have the freedom to not use it if you don't want to. People get so caught up about the right strumming pattern. Don't worry about it. If you want to do something else as long as it fits 3 rules. Here are the 3 rules. Number 1, play the right chord at the right time. Number 2, keep a steady beat along with the recording. Number 3, make sure that whatever you are strumming does fit the style. So if you're playing something really crazy that doesn't match, that's probably not good. That said, if you follow those 3 rules, you're fine, even though there was originally ukulele used in this recording. Now, here's what I did for the song. I was going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then it's just faster. Come along, sing a song, follow me, it is easy as you see. Now, just to make a note, that little final isn't done in the video, but it is what I do with my students every time that it's just me and them singing it without the recording. So it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's what I played. Now, if you want to play something else, please feel free to do so. So those chords, whether in the key of F or G, and that strumming is what I used to make the audio behind this that Suno then touched up. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.